Every day, kitchens face the same problems: confusion, stress, and wasted time. Beginners don't know what to do. Restaurants lose money through poor organization and waste. But what if one smart system could bring everything together? Introducing Smart Kitchen, your AI-powered kitchen assistant. Follow recipes step by step with smart guidance and real-time tips. Chefs can train teams, track progress, and ensure quality. Manage inventory, reduce waste, and control costs in real time. And collect instant feedback directly from your customers. From home kitchens to professional restaurants, cook smarter, waste less, and achieve more.
Our idea was to automate quality control using Airtable for data structure and custom software for the logic. We built a system that stabilizes food quality 100% of the time. We've streamlined the workflow so that staff can work faster while producing significantly less food waste.
The biggest problem in restaurants is inconsistency. We solve this by giving the customers a QR code on their receipt. If a dish isn't right, the customer scans the code and our AI instantly pinpoints the root cause, whether it was a wrong weight or a cooking error, so it never happens again.
We created a database that tracks the entire life cycle of a dish from raw ingredients to a final plate. This creates a digital audit trail, allowing management to see exactly how resources are used and where they can improve kitchen efficiency. We built Smart Kitchen to bring precision to the staff. Our software connects directly to smart scales and ovens, turning the standard recipes into digital commands. By mentoring every gram and every degree in real time, we have removed the guesswork from cooking and replaced it with pure touch-driven accuracy.